Good morning. This is Liji and today's topic is motions of the earth. In this lesson we will learn more about effects of motion of the earth. We all know that the earth has two types of motion. One is rotation and the other is revolution. Rotation of the earth. Rotation is the spinning of the earth on its axis from west to east. One complete rotation of the earth takes 24 hours, and this time taken by the earth is called as an earth day or the solar day. The speed of rotation of the earth along the equator is approximately 1670 kilometers per hour, which gradually decreases towards the poles. The earth's axis is permanently inclined at an angle of 23.5 degrees. This causes variation of the length of day and night. The imaginary line that divides the surface of the earth into day and night is called as circle of illumination. Effects of earth's rotation. Since the earth rotates from west to east, the sun and the moon appear to move from east to west. The rotation of the earth causes day and night in alternate pattern at all places on the surface of the earth. Rotation causes bulging of the earth near the equator and flattens the poles. This shape of the earth is called oblate spheroid. It's called as oblate spheroid. High tides and low tides since in a day are also caused by the rotational movement of the earth. Due to the earth's rotation, any moving body or wind or ocean current gets deflected towards the right in the northern hemisphere and towards the left in the southern hemisphere. Now we will come to the second type, that is revolution of the earth. Revolution of the earth around the sun is on a fixed orbit. This orbit is elliptical in shape. Thus the distance between the sun and the earth is not the same throughout the year. When the distance between the sun and the earth is minimum on January 4th, then the earth is said to be in perihelion. Similarly, when the distance between the sun and the earth is maximum, that is on July 4th, then the earth is said to be in aphelion. Both rotation and revolution of the earth occur simultaneously. Now, what are the effects of Earth's revolution? Earth's revolution causes leap year. Occurrences and changes of season is due to the revolution of the Earth, while variation in length of day and night is also due to the revolution of the Earth, and distribution of heat over the Earth is caused by revolution of the Earth. Now, what is a leap year? The earth takes 365 and 1/4 days to complete one revolution around the sun. For our convenience, we consider a year equal to 365 days. The remaining 1/4 days, that is 24 hours plus 4 is equal to 6 hours, is completed to make one complete day of 24 hours. This extra day is added to the month of February every 4th year. This year is known as leap year. In the leap year, February has 29 days instead of 28 days. Thank you.